First round will be the direct question round. We'll start from team A and then to team F. Ready? Second round will be anti-clockwise. We'll start from the F to A. The question round has two sub-rounds. The question round has two sub-rounds. Time limit, timekeeper kindly note. Time limit for the direct question is 30 seconds. Right? Yeah, for each question. That will be the direct question round. 4 marks for the correct response. 4 marks, scorer please note. 4 marks for the correct response. Your first response shall be your final response. आप सोच समझ कर जवाब दें. Round the buzzer round. Every team has been provided a buzzer. Kindly check the buzzer team code. Negative mark in the buzzer round only. If your response is correct, then +4 will be added to your score. If your response is wrong or you press the buzzer and unable to answer, then -4 will be deducted from your score. Agreed? Yes, sir. Time limit will again be 30 seconds. Last round will be the rapid fire round. Last round will be the rapid fire round in a time span of 60 seconds. In a time span of 60 seconds, quiz master will ask as many questions as you can answer. Either you have to answer the question or you have to say pass. Last round rapid fire round होगा, उसमें आपने जवाब देना है या आपने पास बोलना है. एक नंबर का एक सवाल है. 1 mark for each correct response. 1 mark for each correct response. Question will be passed if teams are unable to answer. Question will pass directly to the audience. Ready? There will be no passing among the team directly because audience is also valuable for us. We have randomized the teams. After announcing the screening test result, we have randomized the teams. Now we are randomizing the questions also. Ready? Now I stop splicing. Team code A ready?
Yes, sir.
4 marks for each correct response. Time limit is 30 seconds. There is no negative marking in the direct question round. Audience ready? Beta, that is peacock. India has a national bird. Haryana also has a state bird, or we can say we have the state emblems. Maybe the birds, maybe the animals, maybe the trees, maybe the flowers, like that also. So the direct question to team code A. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Which state of India, you have to name the state, which state of India has recently declared dolphin as their state aquatic animal?
उत्तर प्रदेश.
Yes, right answer. जोरदार तालियां. 4 marks to team code A. Yeah, it's a direct question to team code B. We all are quite active in performing in our academic activities. And you might be knowing that in order to acknowledge the achievements, different awards and prizes are being given. So the direct question to team code B, who has been awarded, you have to name the person, who has been awarded Nobel Prize in Literature 2023.
John Fosse.
Yes, right answer. 4 marks to team code B. John Fosse, a Norwegian author, for his innovative plays and prose which give voice to the unsayable. 4 marks to team code B. Yes, team code C ready. Different days are celebrated in India as well as at the international level. Like World AIDS Day is celebrated on 1st of the December. Ready? Likewise, I can't write so many names because some of the questions may be in the buzzer round also, or maybe in the rapid fire also. So direct question to team code C. When, that is on which date, World Food Day is celebrated?
August.
Oh no. Yes, among the audience. First there are some teachers who has been used to participate in the quiz contest since last so many years. Yeah, beta. Yes, right answer, 16th of the October. No mark to team code C. Team code D, ready? You know, one of the greatest achievement of 2023 for the last year till now, about the India is concerned, we all have celebrated the success of the Chandrayaan. We all feel proud. We pay our respect to Indian scientists also. So ready? Team code D. In which state of India? You have to name this. In which state of India Satish Dhawan Space Center is located? Yes, right answer, Andhra Pradesh. You got a four marks to team code D. बहुत ही कैलकुलेटेड आंसर, सोच समझ के बॉल को आने का इंतजार किया और बैक फुट पे जाके उठा के मारा है, लेकिन 4 ही रन दे पाएंगे इनको. रेडी? टीम कोड विच टीम? लेट ई शुड से ई. हक से मांगो. ई. या रेडी? क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू द स्पोर्ट. चेहरे पर स्माइल है. स्पोर्ट्स, you know, Indians are very fond of kabaddi, particularly Haryana is very fond of the kabaddi. Ready? Question related to that. By defeating which team Indian men's kabaddi team won gold medal? किस टीम को हराकर हिंदुस्तान ने गोल्ड मेडल दिया? प्लीज.
जापान.
Oh no. Japan, no. Yes. Yes. Yes, right answer is Iran. India defeated Iran by 33-29. Next team code. Next team code. Next team code. बेटा ये तो बोल दे मैडम. मेरे को दिखा, मुझे तो मालूम है किस टीम का नंबर है. कहते हैं ना भाई, हक से मांगोगे ब्रिटानिया गोल्ड. आई एम नॉट इंडोर्सिंग एनी ब्रांड प्लीज. मैं किसी ब्रांड को इंडोर्स नहीं कर रहा हूं. रेडी? यू माइट हैव प्रिपेयर्ड द इंडियन फ्रीडम मूवमेंट ऑल्सो. स्वतंत्रता संग्राम से संबंधित भी सवाल अक्सर क्विज में पूछे जाते हैं. रेडी? Different rewards were there during the freedom movement. So the direct question to team code F is, in which state, you have to name the state, in which state did the famous Mopla revolt took place during the freedom struggle? Mopla Vidroh. Oh no. Yes, among the audience? Yeah. Yes, right answer, Kerala. Book or novel on which you have to name, on which book or novel of Chetan Bhagat the film Kai Poche is based? Yeah. Yes, please.
The 3 mistakes of the life.
Yes, 3 mistakes of the life. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Direct question to team code E.
क्वेश्चन बताओ.
How many
तुम ना
number?
बताए.
How many classical dance form exist in India? 8. Yes, जोरदार तालियां. आगे आ जाइए. भारतनाट्यम, कथक, कथकली, मोहिनीअट्टम, ओडिसी, सात्रिया, मणिपुर एंड कुचिपुड़ी. Ready? No marks to team code E. Next team code. Next team code. Yeah, let D should say D. You might be knowing about the Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the Sikh Guru who founded the Sikh religion. Question related to our religion culture also. India is a land of multi-religion also, though we are a secular country. So question related to team D is, name the Sikh Guru. You have to name the Sikh Guru who wrote the biography of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Sorry, मैंने गुरु नानक देव जी की बायोग्राफी पूछी थी, बच्चे ने जवाब दिया गुरु नानक देव जी. नो मार्क्स. या यस, राइट आंसर गुरु अंगद देव जी. टीम कोड सी. रेडी? State of India, the famous Kamakhya temple is located?
असम.
Yes, right answer. जोरदार तालियां एक बार आपका. रेडी? मुझे लगता है कि ये सही टाइम पे खांसी है, क्योंकि अगला सवाल इसी विधा से रिलेटेड है, दवाइयों से, डॉक्टरी से, उसी विधा. मैंने नहीं कहा था इसको इस टाइम खांसना है बेटा, मैंने तो नहीं कहा था, कहीं बाद में लगे कि इनकी ट्यूनिंग सेट थी. It was not like that way, but it was a perfect time. Thank you so much for coughing at that particular right time. Yes. Team code?
B.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
There are different systems of the medicines, like Ayurveda, Allopathy, Unani, Siddha, and so many others also. So question related to team code B is, you have to name the person who is hailed as, who is known as the god of medicine by the practitioners of Ayurveda.
Shushrut.
Sorry. He is a man of surgery. Yeah. Sorry, Charak. The right answer, Dhanvantari. Jordar Talia. Vedas are rich treasure of knowledge and wisdom. Vedas are rich treasure of knowledge and wisdom. You might be knowing the 4 Vedas. So direct question to team code A. Ready? Audience ready?
Yes.
Who is the most prominent? Who is the most prominent god of Rig Veda? Yes, right answer, Indra. तालियां कमजोर हैं, 4 रन ऐसे ही नहीं मिलते हैं. गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज खेड़ी गुजरा जो ऐतिहासिक यूथ फेस्टिवल हो रहा है. रेडी? काइंडली चेक योर बजर. काइंडली प्रेस द बजर स्लाइटली longer. Don't take the test of the quiz master. Yes, please. You will supposed to press the buzzer only. We will see which team has pressed the buzzer, and thereafter we will ask you. Ready? Kindly don't prompt immediately. Instead of pressing the buzzer, if you will answer it, we will say it's the wrong answer. आपने buzzer दबाना है. We will see it which team has the press the buzzer, and then you have to answer it. Ready? Time limit is 20 seconds. Time limit is 20 seconds. Kindly let me know when I finish the 12 questions. I don't think there is a splicing is needed because equal opportunity is given to all the teams. और मेरी गुजारिश है कि मेरे जो learned colleagues हैं, let us just wait and then we will ask the team. We can consult also. Please don't create any scene.
Sir,
हाँ जी.
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
बजर दबाने के बाद 20 सेकंड मिलेंगे.
बेटा मेरे सवाल पूछने के बाद it is up to you. Time will start as and when I finish is asking the question. जैसे ही मैं सवाल पूछना बंद कर देता हूँ, तुरंत आपने बजर शुरू कर देता हूँ.
यहाँ पे रसिया हुआ था सर.
हाँ, आपने भी लंबा दबाना है. हाँ. Ready?
Yes, sir.
यो क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू द रिवर्स. देखो मैंने हिंट दे दिया आपको. कहीं कोई पहाड़ बता बैठे, कोई बांध बता बैठे. Which river passes through the maximum number of countries? Yes, team code E.
Indus River.
-4 to team. एक बार. -4 to team code E. -4 to team code E. Yes, among the audience. Yes. Yes, right answer, Danube River. It passes through 10 European countries. It passes through 10 European countries: Germany, Hungary, Romania, Austria, Serbia, Bulgaria, Croatia, Moldova, Ukraine, and Slovakia. Yeah. Luckily, again, the ambience of this college is very good. We may have faced the lot of difficulties in coming here. Maybe transportation is a big issue, but one of the finest issues about their environment. Lush, green, and nature-friendly location of this college. You might be knowing there are so many ecological, environmental issues that is coming up nowadays, like climate change, global warming, deforestation, loss of biodiversity, like that also. So direct question for the buzzer is, you might be knowing that दिस ईयर इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ मिलेट्स। एक मैं एडवाइस दे देता हूँ, कई बार सवाल पूछते पूछते हैं ना, बजर दबा देते हैं ना, तो वो आपका अपना रिस्क माना जाएगा। विच मास्टर इन द मिडवे कैन चेंज द स्टेटमेंट ऑल्सो। रेडी? वो आपका अपना रिस्क। इफ यू वांट टू प्रेस द बजर, यू वांट टू टेक द चांस। रेडी? विच ईयर यू हैव टू नेम द नंबर ऑफ द ईयर। इन which year was celebrated as International Year of Biodiversity? पहले जवाब दीजिए।
2010।
Right answer. 2010. You know, biodiversity loss is a big issue, and we are dependent. Our survival is dependent upon that also. And the last decade whole was celebrated as yes. You might be knowing that legislature is an important part. That's for the rule framing. Related to the legislature related. Ready? आप कहीं इकोनॉमिक्स का सवाल नहीं है, फ्रीडम मूवमेंट का नहीं है, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी का भी नहीं है, आर्ट एंड लिटरेचर का भी नहीं है। रेडी? हाउ मेनी इंडियन स्टेट्स? यू हैव टू जस्ट टेल द नंबर। हाउ मेनी इंडियन स्टेट्स have legislative councils or bicameral legislature? C, please.
Seven.
-4 to team code C. Yeah.
Five.
बच गए?
Sir, 6.
Yeah. As the temples of modern India. C. Yes, +4 to team code C. बेटा बजर राउंड ऑफ फ्रिक्शन ऑफ सेकंड का फासला सोचो कि जल्द बजा जाते हैं लोग। क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू द फ्रीडम फाइटर्स। वी हैव टू पे आवर होमेज टू आवर फ्रीडम फाइटर्स आल्सो। रेडी? देखो, आई एम गिविंग यू द हिंट फॉर एवरी क्वेश्चन। This is not related to the scientists. This is not related to the art, culture, literature, dance, drama. Name the freedom fighter who was called as Azad Shatru by Mahatma Gandhi. महात्मा गांधी ने किस स्वतंत्रता सेनानी को आजाद शत्रु कहा है? रेडी? लेकिन इससे ज्यादा तो क्या बताऊं, सब कुछ तो बता ही दिया है। Which judgment? I am directly coming to the question. Which judgment stated that secularism and federalism, secular और federal समझ में आ गए दोनों शब्द? Which judgment stated that secularism and federalism are the basic features of Indian Constitution? बताएंगे नहीं क्या? मैडम हंसने से काम नहीं चले, थोड़ा जवाब देना पड़ेगा। आप बता दीजिए, कोई बात नहीं, आपको पेन देंगे। यस, अमंग द ऑडियंस, राइट आंसर इज SR मुंबई केस। Justice Samant and Kuldeep Singh in 1994, when preamble was challenged, then they have given this decision that secularism and federalism, यानी कि संघीय ढांचा और धर्मनिरपेक्षता हमारे संविधान के मूल सिद्धांत हैं। No marks to any take. You might have prepared about the different ministers also. Like you can say, if I ask who is the home minister, then you may have said, बता दिया मैंने तुमको, that Amit Shah is the home minister or the cooperative minister. Rajnath Singh is the defense minister. Like that also. Nirmala Sitharaman is the finance minister. Dharmendra Pradhan is the education minister. Ready? So, देखो इतने मैंने बता दिए। You have to name who is the present Union Minister of Culture and Tourism. Team code
G. Kishan Reddy.
Yes, sir. Please.
सी ने बताया। सी ने दबाया।
A ने दबाया जी।
सी ने दबाया।
चलो, we cancel this question. Okay, we cancel this question. This is related to the minerals. फिर मैं कहता कई बार जो होता है वो अच्छे के लिए होता है। Question related to the minerals. Which, you have to name the country. Which is the largest uranium producing country in the world? Uranium producing country in the world, largest. भाई अब दबा लो, देखो मैं भी देख रहा हूँ। ओहो भाई मैं इधर देखने दीजिए थोड़ी देर के लिए, 20 सेकंड के लिए। Who is the author of the autobiography? Kindly press the buzzer slightly longer and don't answer until it is being asked. Who is the author of the autobiography Playing It My Way? हाँ जी,
गोरिया मजुमदार।
-4 to team code A. Yes, right answer सचिन तेंदुलकर। तुम भी बताओगे दे सवाल को, तुम्हें केला देंगे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। India is a big country. You might be knowing the location of the India, different states of the India. How many states of India? How many states of India have seashore? समुद्र के किनारे कितने राज्यों के लगते हैं? Yes, please. हाँ जी।
So 17.
-4 to team code B. Name the British civil service officer who is also known as the father of Indian ornithology. इधर दबाया बजर बेटा, इधर दबा, किसने दबाया? हाँ सॉरी, मैंने पहले कहा था रिस्क आपका अपना होगा। -4 to team code E.
A.O. Hume sir.
यस, A.O. ह्यूम आ गया जी, दोनों आ गया जी। एलन ऑक्टेवियन ह्यूम इज राइट आंसर, फादर ऑफ इंडियन ऑर्निथोलॉजी। You might be knowing that every year different reports are released by the Indian organization as well as the international organization. Ready? And मैं hint दे देता हूँ। I can't name the country. Ready? You have to name the country. किसी नदी, नाले, तालाब का नाम नहीं लेना। Which country ranks number 1 in the recently released, यानी कि 2023 की जो रिलीज रिपोर्ट ऑफ सस्टेनेबल डेवलप इंडेक्स रिपोर्ट, सस्टेनेबल डेवलप इंडेक्स रिपोर्ट में पहले नंबर पर कौन सा देश आया? या मैडम तो केवल मुस्कुरा देती है कि भी सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे। मैडम ऐसे नहीं चलेगा। भूटान फॉर द हैप्पीनेस। फिनलैंड इज द राइट आंसर। आगे आ जाइए। लास्ट चांस टू विन 4 मार्क्स। क्वेश्चन भी बड़ा टेक्निकल आया है। You know, mental health is an integral component of our health. मानसिक स्वास्थ्य भी हमारे स्वास्थ्य का एक बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा है। Nowadays, even the LKG students are feeling stressed. उनको भी एंजाइटी है, स्ट्रेस है। So question is related to that aspect. Recently, we have celebrated World Mental Health Day. What was the theme of the World Mental Health Day? हाँ जी सर।
Mental health is universal human right.
Right answer. 4 marks to team code A. हाँ 4 marks to team code। 12 सवाल हो गए सर। May I request the scorer to please announce the cumulative score. Indigenously built aircraft carrier which will be entering the service.
Vikrant.
Yes sir. Sorry, Vishal. Who had implemented the doctrine of lapse policy in India?
Lord Mountbatten.
Sorry. Who led the East India Company in the Battle of Buxar?
Robert Clive.
Sorry. Who was the first Indian women president of Indian National Congress?
Sarojini Naidu.
Correct. What is the SI unit of temperature? Correct. From the constitution of which country method of election of president of India has been adopted?
Ireland.
Correct. When World Science Day for Peace and Development is observed every year?
28 फरवरी.
Sorry.
29. हाँ.
Who had the sacred knowledge of Gita before Arjuna?
पास.
साइंस डे नहीं था, वर्ल्ड साइंस डे था. साइंस डे नहीं था बेटा, इतना वर्ल्ड साइंस डे था, इसको पीटना मत. 3 करेक्ट रिस्पॉन्स. 3 है ना. एक बार जोरदार तालियां टीम कोड ए के लिए. एक आधा सवाल आपसे पूछेंगे. ये फोटोग्राफर कह रहा मेरे सवाल पूछा तो मैं छोड़ के चला जाऊंगा ये, और फोटो भी नहीं दूंगा आपको. टीम कोड बी रेडी. एक बार टीम कोड बी के लिए जोरदार तालियां. वेल प्लेड. स्टार्टिंग वाज गुड. Your time starts now. In which year Environment Protection Act was passed?
Pass.
Who besides Arjuna listened to the Gita?
Pass.
Name the only session of Congress whose president was Mahatma Gandhi.
Pass.
From the constitution of which country fundamental duties has been adopted?
Switzerland.
Sorry. Who is popularly known as Mahamana?
Pass.
The city of Agra was founded by whom?
Shahjahan.
Sorry. Pulkešian II was the famous ruler of which dynasty?
So pass.
Who built the famous Shalimar Bagh of Srinagar? What is the smallest structural functional unit of an organism? Correct. 1 mark. Ready? मैं स्टार हूँ तो साइड वालों के खींच रहा है. नहीं कहने में. पोस्टल सर्विसेज इन इंडिया. बिटवीन whom first China war was fought? Name the first bank to introduce mutual fund in India. Sorry. Who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress?
सैयद बेल्डिन तैयब जी.
Correct. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Who said it?
एडम स्मिथ.
Sorry. In which year Biological Diversity Act was passed?
1972.
Sorry. When did Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was posthumously decorated with Bharat Ratna?
1992.
Correct. Where Indian Institute of Forest Management is located?
उत्तराखंड.
Sorry. In which state of India Dudhwa National Park is located? Correct. How many chapters are there in Gita?
18.
Correct. 4 correct responses. ठीक है मैडम. 4 है ना. Extreme code. Ready? भला जो मेरे सामने बैठे हैं वो भी निशाना लगाए बैठे हैं. बस के जाएं तो जाएंगे, जो सबसे पीछे बैठे हैं वो भी निशाना लगाए बैठे हैं. कई तो कलम पेन लेके बैठे हैं. रेडी? टीम कोड रेडी? योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ रिट्स कैन बी इशूड बाय सुप्रीम कोर्ट इन इंडिया? करेक्ट. Tell the full form of TIFR. Tifar.
Pass.
What was the original language of Bhagavad Gita?
Sanskrit.
Correct. What is the SI unit of luminous intensity?
Candela.
Correct. In which state of India Sariska National Park is located? Sorry. From the constitution of which country procedure of amendment of constitution has been adopted? Sorry. Name the country in which Blue Nile and White Nile rivers meet. Sorry. By which act the Supreme Court was established at Fort William, Calcutta for the first time?
1773 regulating act.
Correct. Who was the president of Congress when Indian National Congress split into two groups, that is extremists and the moderates? Yes, right answer, Ras Bihari Bose. 5 correct responses. हमारे पास है जोरदार तालियां टीम कोड डी के लिए. If I am asking the question in the meantime, timekeeper presses the buzzer, I will complete the same question. I will not ask the next question. Next team code. Ready? Your time starts now. In which year Forest Conservation Act was passed?
1972.
Sorry. Who was narrating the Gita to the Dhritarashtra? Who is the youngest recipient of Bharat Ratna?
Pass.
In which year Shimla was declared summer capital of British India?
Pass.
In which year Goa was captured by Portuguese?
Pass.
Who is the writer of book Ratnavali?
Pass.
In which state of India International Cherry Blossom Festival has started?
Bengaluru.
Sorry.
Karnataka.
Name the newspaper published by Mahatma Gandhi in South Africa.
Pass.
By what name a narrow landmass which connects two water masses is known as?
Isthmus.
Correct. Name the British Governor General who started subsidiary alliance system in India. Sorry, Lord Wellesley. 1 correct response. Next team code. Your time starts now. Name the planet whose English name is after the Roman goddess of beauty. Name the planet.
Shukra.
Sorry. Who is the speaker of Bhagavad Gita?
Krishna.
Valmiki.
Sorry. Who wrote the biography of Akbar?
Akbarnama.
Sorry. Who wrote? Who was the chairman of drafting committee of Indian Constitution?
Dr. B.
In which state of India Kaziranga National Park is located?
Kaziranga, Assam.
Correct. C-PAD scheme for girls in India was launched in which state?
Karnataka.
Sorry. By what name a narrow landmass which connects two landmasses is known as? Who was the British Prime Minister at the time of independence of India?
Winston Churchill.
Sorry, Clement Attlee.